Hi, this is Laura Lemza with Engineering Career Services. This video is a demonstration of how to utilize Handshake for the on-campus fair. From your main Handshake page, select Events from the menu at the top. Within that, filter for Career Fair. Find the appropriate career fair that you're looking for, and we are going to be looking at the on-campus Fall 2022 Engineering Internship and Career Fair. From the main career fair page, you can see details about the fair, including when it is, what is the appropriate dress, what is the location, and ways to get extra help during the event. You can click on See More Employers or All Employers to bring you to a list of all the employers who are registered for the fair. From this list, you can look and identify companies of interest and target them for your on-campus day. There are filters available on the left. Probably the most useful one is job types, where you can select whether it's internship, full-time job, or cooperative education or fellowship that you're looking for. When reviewing an employer, go ahead and click on View Details in order to see all the information from that employer. This includes the job type, the work authorization, school years, what they're looking for. This company, Advanced Six, also has jobs posted to Handshake, and these are direct links to the job ads, which is super helpful. You can just click on that and apply right through Handshake before you go to the fair. So look for that opportunity. If you think the company is one that you are interested in, you might choose to follow it by clicking the follow button, which will notify you by email and in the Handshake app every time that employer posts a job or hosts an event. All right, that is how you use Handshake to help you manage your on-campus fair experience. If you have questions, please reach out to Engineering Career Services at ENGR Careers. Thanks. Bye.